40, 16 on your boiling range. Temperatures and pressure's good, both pressure's high. Grade 6 ready to set for fuel.
286 left for cargo. 286 left for cargo, I hear discretion.